India coronavirus case count now third highest in the world by surpassing and behind the US and Brazil. This is the report of Business Insider, which says that India just surpassed Russia as the country with the third most coronavirus infection. Here's the data, which shows how India COVID has suppressed Indian people. 7 lakh Indian people has infected with coronavirus. In this 7 lakh, 20,000 has died and 4 lakh 39,000 has recovered. One of the data shows one day 25,000 record-breaking case has emerged, and Delhi has one of the largest corona case in India, that is 1 lakh case. Here Dr. T. Jacob Chon, one of the prominent virologist in India, I share his statement. He says, "We are reaching towards the peak, which we can expect it around August," which means you analyze that the peak has not come yet. The peak has 1 month later. Means now the 25,000 case has rise in one day, means in peak it will increase. So welcome to Reality Realizations. I am Ankit Sahu, and today we are going to realize the reality of why India cause of concern over its rising coronavirus case. Second, the contributing factor of this tremendous surge of corona case. Let's look. First contributing factor is population. This is the UN data I share you. World's second highest population is India. 17% of total world population live in India, and it expected that India surpass China in 2050 and make world largest population. Now the total population in India is 138 crore. So this is the cause of concern and the contributing factor, because the developed world, European Union, has the lowest population, and the demographic triangle has shown that India rising populations and the population boom has one of the major concern over the government and the population and the people of India, because it has negative impact all over, not only the health but also the other factor. So this corona case, rising corona case, one of the contributing factor is population. Now see the second contributing factor, geographical location of India. India divided the rural and urban. In rural area, 60% of people has lived in rural area. And the hamlet of this rural area are very close. Means the distance between village and village are very low. Means you can move from one village to another just 1 or 2 kilometer. So this distance between the village and village is very close, and the close hamlet has one of the contributing factor for rising community spread of coronavirus. And we come to the urban area. In urban area, 17% of total population live in urban slum. And you know the slum, in the slum, the hamlet of the slum are very closed, so the maintaining social distance is very difficult for them. Here are some of the data which show that Delhi has 14% of slum. In Mumbai, highest slum area in Mumbai, that is 41%. and in Bangalore that is 10%. This is one of the picture of the Indian slum where you see the how the slum hamlet are very close. Or in this situation and in this scenario, in this geographical location, this is question arise how to maintain the social distance. Is it possible? Let's look at. This is the village of India. And third factor is violation of social distancing rule. You know the news and you heard about the news. In the time of lockdown, after opening of liquor shop, various people are moved and violate the social distancing and lockdown rule and go and buy the liquor. This implies the anarchy over the social distancing. Means if you impose social distancing rule, if you impose the lockdown, but the people has violated this norm and enjoy a lot of their life in this corona life. But government has do their job in a significant way. Government has promote social vaccine. Social vaccine means maintaining social distancing and sanitize your health and caring of own health by itself. Where we need to concern over it, the WHO has said the India rising corona case has need of concern, and the world and the Indian government has also concern over it rising corona case because the social infrastructure here the national health profile data shows that 7,13,986 bed hospital bed are available in India. That is only the government hospital bed. That means 0.555 per thousand population. It is very low. Due to this low level of social infrastructure, it is very critical and life-threatening for the people of India. And this rising of corona case has a lot of concern. And the doctor, 1 by 1,457 population. But WHO recommended one doctor for 1,000 population. But in India, one doctor for 1,500 population. Means we are not reached the WHO recommendation yet. This is due to the government GDP contribution. The WHO and the Economic Survey have recommended 2.25% of GDP government should contribute over the health sector, but government yet did not do it and only contribute 1.28%. And this government has the plan to raise its GDP 1.28 to 2.25 by 2020-25. Here the look, US has contributed 18% of their GDP in health sector. Means analyze the health sector of USA and health sector of India. Of course, there is various difference between the USA and India because USA is now the developed country and India is developing. But in this emerging developing country, India has only contribute 1.28. This is very low as compared to US and as compared to China. China has also contributed 7% of GDP in their health. Means if the corona rise in India, it will affect the large number of people. Not only affect, it will play a life-threatening role for people. So the death rate has also increased tremendously because of this rising corona case and the low level of social infrastructure in India. This is the data of government health sector in India, and the private health sector has also played an important role. But in India, the inequality rate has very high. As per the economic survey report, 1% of people has absorbed 75% of Indian wealth. Means you see the inequality between the poor and the rich is very high. This is have and have not. Have not people does not afford the private health sector. So we mostly focus on the government health sector because private player and the private health authority has rising their fees tremendously, and there is no any limit, there is no impose any limit over their rising rate of health. So this is one of the very concerning way. So we need to concern over it and maintain social distancing and protect our own life. Thank you.